Okay, what you're going to need to make a snowman is a cup of water, a toothpick, and some clay. Let's do this. So when you get your clay, you're going to divide the clay up into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay? As soon as you get your clay, you're going to start rolling the pieces into a ball. If you want to make a special carrot nose, you pinch a little off for a carrot nose and set it aside. If you want to make a little hat, pinch a little off and then set it aside. You don't have to make a hat and you don't have to make a special carrot nose, but that's tradition. You're going to take the clay and you're going to use the palms of your hands to roll it around. Now this is something that you probably did with Play-Doh when you were younger, and you're just going to roll it around nice and quickly. Now I don't want to spend too much time on it, but you're going to now have a sphere. Okay? You're going to take your second lump of clay, you're going to roll it around in the palms of your hands, that nice soft padding in your hands, and you're going to keep rolling it until it gets to a nice round sphere, kind of like a globe. And do the third one. Now they may all come out the same size. You'd want the smallest of the 3 to be the head. I'm going to lay them all out together and figure out which one is the head. It looks like this one's my smallest, so I'm going to make this the head. How we join them together, this won't work. If just putting 2 pieces of clay together, that's not going to work. What you have to do is you have to score your clay like Velcro. So I'm going to scratch, scratch, scratch. I'm making a little clay Velcro piece. Now Velcro doesn't just work with one side, you need 2 sides of Velcro to actually stick together. So now I'm going to Velcro or score into the next piece. These 2 pieces of clay Velcro are going to touch and stick together, just like Velcro. Now the water is what we call slip. We're going to just take a little dab on my finger. You see it's just hanging on there? And we're just going to place it right in the cracks. Okay? Not too much because you'll make mud. Once it's wet with slip, we're going to smooch. That's when the clay gets to kiss, 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 kiss. We spin our clay around, making sure we have a nice sphere. And if your clay is kind of roly-poly, you're going to tap it on the table to give it a flat bottom. Okay, so he doesn't roll away on us. We do that again at the top. We're going to score. Now, can I just do this? No, I have to score this one too. Remember, like Velcro only works if you have 2 sides. You have to do the 2 sides to be scratched and scored. Add a little bit of my slip, just a dab, and then they smooch kiss together. Kiss, 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 kiss. Okay, I'm going to just clean up my line, smooch them together, clean up any cracks that I don't like with my finger, and then there is my snowman. Okay, now I'm going to add his nose. All clay that is joined together needs to be scored, slipped, smooched. So even this little tiny piece, I have to score it. I'm going to roll it on the table or between my fingers, and that's called a coil. And one side's going to be sharp like a carrot, and then this side we're going to tap on the table to give it a nice flat space. Now he has a flat bottom. I'm going to score, score, score. Look at all those scratches I'm giving. It needs to look like clay Velcro. Oh boy, now I gotta scratch his face. I'm gonna score his face right here. Here we go. a little bit of slip, just a little water, and then I'm going to smooch it on. Here we go. Smooch, smooch, smooch. Like you're twisting it on. There we go. Now I got to give this guy a face. He needs to have a personality. So I'm going to give him an eye on this side, an eye on that side. You can add eyelashes, anything that you'd like. You could draw a mouth, or really cool with that, like clay, you could just wipe it away and try again. Or you could do almost like charcoal, like the charcoal mouth, like little bits of charcoal, like Frosty. Or you can even have a caroler. So you can have a snowman that is singing. You place the toothpick in the middle and you wiggle it down and around in an oval, and he looks like he's singing a Christmas carol. Okay? So it's your choice what you want to do for his mouth. You place one hole on the side. That's going to be for our pipe cleaner arm next week. One hole on this side. Pipe cleaner over there. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you what to do with your extra clay. You have a couple of bits of clay for, let's put this guy over here. We have a hat. So I have 2 little bits of clay left for a hat. You're going to take the first one and you're going to roll it into a coil, like a fat coil, not too thin. Then we're going to smush it down. Now the shape that we're going for here is kind of like a combo cracker snack or a marshmallow. So it's round, but it's kind of stubby, okay? And if there's a crack in your clay, all you have to do is push it and pull it. It's really easy to fix a crack. So there's my little marshmallow. Next I'm going to take my last piece of clay and I'm going to roll it into a sphere, nice little ball. Once I have my sphere, I'm going to place it on the table and just press down. Now this is going to make a perfect little pancake shape, okay? Now I'm going to score this onto my snowman. So we have to score the bottom of the hat. And I'm going to score where it's going to go, because again we need the 2 pieces of Velcro. Okay, I need my water, just a little bit of slip, and I'm going to smooch these guys together. Smooch, smooch, smooch. Look, I have a top hat. Now I can't just place him on his head like that because he will eventually fall off. So I have to score this poor snowman's head. Okay, I'm going to score, score, score. And then I have to score where it's going to join. Okay, just a little slip, dab like some water on there, and then I'm going to smooch, smooch, smooch. We're going to smooch our hat on. And then we have our snowman. Now if you wanted to add buttons, you can add buttons. You can add a scarf, but it's really important that you have your armholes ready for those pipe cleaners next week. Okay, you are done. I could even go in and give it a little bit of details of a carrot. You know how carrots have that texture? Okay, you could give it some eyelashes. It's totally up to you. We can give it a little flower up here. So your snowman's all set. Good luck, guys.